Hello everybody, it's Cole here, and today I'm going to be playing Wild Revolvers with DRCROK.
Hi.
You probably won't be able to hear him today, but we're going to be playing...
Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and do the same with his channel. Okay, bye. Well, not bye.
Alright, so as you can see, we're playing Wild Revolvers. I don't know if any of you are online. If you are, come join, and we can play together on Wild Revolvers. Alright. DRCROK is almost in the server, so... yeah, I believe it's not a full server, so you guys can come and join us and play. And we'll come snipe you. Yeah.
Oh, I'm in.
We're on the same team. DRCROK.
Okay, I'm in.
We're on the same team.
Someone shot me, and I went flying forward. I just like...
Oh! Quick scoped.
I just got shot into the splits.
Mm.
Okay. Let's try to get real close to people. I don't even care if they can't hear me.
Oh, dude, Erupted G is like in the barn. Not on top of the barn anymore.
Erupted G just killed me right after you said that.
Oh.
Oh, hey, dude.
Hey.
Acknowledge me! I'm an Arctic Fox. Yay.
Then where's your Arctic Fox face? Oh my gosh.
My Arctic Fox face, it's right here. This is my Arctic Fox face. Don't ask. Don't question it. This is my Arctic Fox face.
Because Arctic foxes are amazing. Nature is amazing. Always remember that, people.
Yeah. Every once in a while, go outside and play. Actually, no.
Well, not right now, but...
I said every once in a while, are you deaf?
I know, but like not right now, because it's winter. I mean, if you guys are from Australia and stuff, then you probably never have snow, and that's amazing. But, well, I mean, I love snow, so... you guys might not like snow, if you guys might have it.
It's actually snowing a little bit. Not
Right now. In our time zone, it is snowing.
Yeah, but there's not enough yet to
which we are not going to say our time zone. For Google purposes. Not Google purposes, but you know what we mean.
Yeah.
Dude, you got 3rd place!
Yeah, it's snowing outside, but there's not enough snow.
Dude, if next round, I'm going to get a silver chest.
Look at me, I'm an Arctic Fox. Look at me, acknowledge me.
Take a screenshot. Okay, follow me. Face the camera, bro.
Oh, hold on.
Alright, ready?
Hold on, I'm not ready. Hold on, I need to... Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I took it. Okay, should we go FPS this round?
Yeah, I usually go FPS. I just find
Can you stand right there? Stay still. XD. Hee hee. Oh no!
Payback. Even though I didn't even do anything about it.
Mohave. I don't actually know how to say that. I think it's Mohave.
Yeah, I think so too. Dude, we're not on the same team.
Yep, we're not.
This is war.
No.
No, dude, it literally does more. Like, I'm No, you.
I shot you while you were rolling.
I know.
You were like in the middle of, like in the air like that. And then I just shot you right in the
This guy
head.
is taxing. Hacksaw. He goes like the speed of light.
I know. Stupid hackers.
I know. And reporting doesn't even do anything.
Just suspends them.
So they can make new accounts and hack on them in the meantime.
Yay. Roblox needs to fix that.
Yes. Like, yeah. I hate it when, like, I'm in the middle of a game.
And then someone just goes the speed of light? Yeah.
I'm not trying to. I just got both of you guys, you nubs.
No.
You nubs.
No, I got shot by someone else.
No, you guys are nubs. You got killed by a non-nub. Guys, tell us in the comments if Colbro is a nub.
I'm not a nub. No, DRCROK's a nub.
DRCROK is not a nub.
Sure, he's not. As I do a front flip and kill him.
How did you even do a front flip? Oh, yeah,
Double tap space. Hence, nub. Hence, DRCROK is a nub.
I am not a nub.
I just killed you again! I just killed Erupt the G!
I wanna get killed by anyone but you.
But me? Oh! Oh!
How did you
This is my 5th kill.
They're all me.
6th kill. Person.
Like, most of the kills you made are me.
Oh! I died.
Yes! Now let's go. Now it's time for a montage of me killing you.
You can try. But you won't succeed.
I just heard a gunshot and a noob.
That was not me. No! I was just aiming at you.
Oh! Choco M1 plays.
What, you killed him?
No. Oh! I just got shot off of a boulder. We have an AFK guy on our team.
Yay.
What even was that? I rolled into midair and then got shot and died and fell and ragdolled. Oh.
I will pop your head open.
Here's a tip. If you want to make it like from one building to another, but you have to do arm off, try like rolling off.
Yeah, jumping and rolling.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Western Times, people.
I'm not from these times. I'm from the year 3027.
No, he's not.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Oh, I didn't know people. Oh! I got second! Someone had 23 kills!
Try that fast cheater.
No, it wasn't. It was Erupt the G.
I'm an Arctic fox.
Alright, bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Wait, it's ending already?
Mm-hmm.
The events are short.
Bye everyone.